See this glass painting. These birds are called Scarlet Macaw. Hello friends, today we are going to learn these attractive toys of Scarlet Macaw. Mostly they are found in Amazon rainforest in Brazil. I like Scarlet Macaw because they are very colorful, red, yellow and blue color. Somewhere green also strokes are there. Their beak is mostly grey. Now we are drawing this another toy of Scarlet Macaw. See, our drawing is ready of both the birds. First we are going to use the yellow color. Color I have applied and I am going to give comb effect. This is a comb, small comb. With that we can create the feather effect of the Scarlet Macaw. All the parts we are going to do the same. Red color all over the head, this portion and here also. And again we are going to use the comb effect to show the feathers. We have to move the comb in feather shape. In this also we are going to use the comb effect. Because of comb we can give the effect of feathers. Here we are going to use cobalt blue and Persian blue for shading in the blue part. Here also same, and with small brush we are going to give some strokes of Persian blue like this. Again the comb technique on loop surface. Same here. Yellow and red strokes on the tail. Here also comb effect we can do like this. Yellow red color we can mix with the comb. Now I have taken flat brush. With the flat brush we are going to do the shading in the leaves. In the middle light green. With dark green. Like this color spreading technique we are going to use in each and every leaf. Small flat brush we have to use for this technique. See all the leaves. Now with same flat brush we are going to do the shading of flower. First with orange. Then with red. Like this brush strokes. Dry brush painting. It is called dry brush painting. Brown color we have given here, and now with coconut coir, like this effect. Of tree trunk we are going to give. Rough texture we can see here now. Now dark grey and light grey stone effect we are creating in this portion. Some black lines or strokes. And same shading in the beak also, with light grey and dark grey effect. Now light grey, and in the below portion black. Same shading we are going to do on the legs also of that Scarlet Macaw. Friends, now we are going to create toothbrush spray painting effect on this light green surface with dark green. In the brush we have to take little more water and then green color. Catch it like this. See the effect of spray painting we can see. It is called toothbrush spray painting effect. Their faces we are going to keep white, but toothbrush spray painting grey effect. Grey color effect we are going to give with toothbrush. Toothbrush we have to catch very close, otherwise stains are coming on the paper. Now with cotton ball we are going to give sky effect. Light blue, little dark blue and little violet color all over the sky. Stumping brush effect we are going to show on the ground with light green color. It gives a patchy effect of grass. Now our drawing of Scarlet Macaw is ready and we are going to do outline with black marker like this for each and every part. It gives the get up to the drawing. Our painting of Scarlet Macaw are ready. See how cute they looks. Very colorful, very attractive. Do you like my video? Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Then you will get the notification of my next interesting videos. Thank you.